Alright guys, welcome back to video number 24, and let's keep this mothership going. Okay, so in the last couple of videos, if there's an error when trying to read our database, it'll spit something funky out inside our little, what do we call this, our navigation div over here. Well, the rest of the page still runs. Like our CSS still runs, and this isn't a header, this is just like another div we created, and our colors and our background, they still run. Well, I don't want this to happen. If there's an error reading my database, I don't want the rest of my page to run. I want to let the browser know, or let the user know, that there is an error. So to do this, we're going to introduce the PHP function called die. I know it kind of sounds depressing, but it's actually a really awesome thing in PHP. So let's go ahead and look back where we created our connection to our database. And I think we have that in our includes folder. Yep, connect.php. Okay, so right up here in our first step, this is all we did. We just created a variable and everything checked out. We were able to connect to it through our information. We have our constants right here. But if this is not correct, I don't want the page to run. So I'm going to go ahead and type if connection, remember to check if anything else besides connection, we need the exclamation point, which pretty much lets it know if this is false, if connection is false, what do we want to do? We want to execute our die command now, and in here we get here's how we check. Here's a PHP function to check the MySQL error, or I could just echo something out. I could just echo unable to connect to page. And we'll close it out and we'll look at it. We'll save it first, and nothing should happen because we know that it connects. So let's go ahead and reload it. Perfect. But say we spelled connection wrong, or this doesn't check out. This is just an example of it not connecting. I don't want to go in our database right now and mess it up, so I'm just going to go ahead and change a word out, or a letter out. Unable to connect to page. Perfect. Okay, so the rest of the page is not running right now. That's awesome. So I might as well do this for the remainder of our steps. So again, right here, we'll do if not database is executed, then die type in any string that we want. Unable to connect to database. Let's close that out. Okay, we can close this page out. Now let's go ahead and open up our content.php page and open up our third step, TextMate. And let's go ahead and create if not info underscore set. What am I missing? Oh, I'm missing my money sign, my moolah sign. Let's just echo die. What, did I click die on the last pages? Am I missing the main part? Oh, I got die. Okay, sorry, brain fart. No, but I did not have my dollar sign. Okay, so we'll save that. We can close out our connect.php, not to be confused with our content.php. So we'll just go ahead and echo, again, unable to connect. So now if there is an error or something, our page will not run, but we straightened it all out, so now our page should run perfectly. There it is. Alright guys, hopefully you guys are following along, and again, the die function is awesome because it's totally going to interrupt our page and not let anything run. If our database or any part of our PHP program we don't like doesn't execute properly, we can just kill it right there. So all this stuff will not run and make it look super elementary. Alright guys, thanks for watching, good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.